Where you going, buddy? Going to visit the graveyard? Go ahead. Go on. Let's check on the grapes. Okay. We got grapes. The June bugs didn't get them because we draped off the grapes. We draped the grapes. Cool. Well, hey, buddy. Hey, little buddy. You can't eat the camera. Not sure what's going on here. We got pears, but the leaves are dying. But doesn't matter. Anyway, we got four of these pear trees. But let's look over here and see what Cheryl's got going on. Down there, that's all tobacco. Ooh, let's see over here. Might have some blackberries coming in over here. Yeah, I got blackberries coming in back there. Blackberries coming in over here. Oh yeah. Nice juicy blackberries. Juicy. Pecan trees down there. That'll take a while. It's only June. We'll have pecans. Let's go look. These are pecan trees. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pecans. Pecans starting to form right there. Okay. Come on, Teddy. It's my buddy right there. It's my good buddy. He runs all this. He runs all of this. Come on, buddy. Wow. More blackberries, blackberries, blackberries. Ooh boy. This is Cheryl's garden. I see some cucumbers. Let's see. I gotta water it when the sun goes down. It is hot out here. Good. More tobacco. Tobacco, 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 tobacco. I'm sorry, tobacco. Tobacco, tobacco. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Need to stand that up. Zucchinis. These are going to be watermelons. Watermelons, watermelons. More watermelons. The bottles you see are temporary drip system. They have a nozzle on the bottom and they will drip water. The bottle in there is slowly dripping water. Cheryl is doing her thing. I need to get on my game. We got peppers. Somewhere here, some Carolina Reapers that will light you on fire. Don't know which one's which. Cheryl does. Cheryl's not here right now. Over here we got ooh-wee. That is a cucumber. Look at that. Cucumber right there. Is that cuke? Okay. Farm living. It's fun. Tomatoes. Yeah, buddy. Zucchinis. More tomatoes. Look at these girls. Got these girls here. They live a charmed life, I'm gonna tell you. They are spoiled. We have spoiled chickens. Hey girls. Hey ladies. Well, look at that. 3 nice size eggs. Let's get them. This is the chicken mansion. The chickens are spoiled. The chickens have it made. Hey ladies, you wanna say hi? Y'all wanna say hi? Say, hey YouTube. Yeah, say it. There you go. Chickens can talk. Anyway. What? Wait a minute, say that again? Y'all spoiled rotten. Typical day, country living. Y'all stay tuned. Boss dog. You trying to get some shade, buddy? You trying to get some shade? You don't want to get no tan?